Cameroon terrorism, Cameroon genocidal war against the people of the southern British Cameroon, the people of Ambazonia. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to ACN Television Network. Will be broadcast for satellite all across the globe, especially in sub-Saharan Africa. Will bring on revolutionary messages, truth and honest reporting, analysis, and also advocate for self-determination for Ambazonia, Biafra, and for many other people, especially in the continent of Africa. My name is Capo Daniel. I am the Deputy Defense Chief of the Ambazonia Defense Forces, the arm wing of the Ambazonian Governing Council, aka Sense Pass King, una own countryman. Ladies and gentlemen, my country people, them who are up on the house, for let me come talk today for television, the one way they go see me for my YouTube channel. In case you do watch me and you never subscribe for my YouTube channel, do a favor for me for subscribe and for follow my videos and for like the one the way you like them. Make it be an interactive platform, because together we push and advance for freedom for Ambazonia, Biafra, and across the whole entire globe of Africa. Ladies and gentlemen, as they always talk, the revolution shall never be televised, but revolutionaries will continue to speak and continue to look for way to present our case, our plight to the mainstream. We are the people of Southern Cameroon. We represent the voice of the vast majority of our grassroots movement that demands for separation from Cameroon and pure independence. Today, ladies and gentlemen, one day after the execution, killing of Baby Caroline, and Nangone Lizard Caroline for inside Moliko Boya, we don't come for today for bring una the reaction of our population and give una an inside look into which way it happened for Boya. I hope say I'll be connected live. I get messages from our technical team, but I hope that will be sorted out. So, ladies and gentlemen, as usual, before we start our program, we'll take some time for play some music where we'll be in a moment for we to invite all people them across the globe, made and join we live for get an interactive show. So, for the moment, I'll play music while we take before we get back to the program, as such as we always do. For those that see me, that don't join me for YouTube already, I salute now. And we will get directly into our show in a moment.
Carry it, come, Ambazonian Bobo. Carry it, wow, Ambazonian Bobo. International. Small picking no day for Ambazonian. Any small picking get power, Ambazonian Bobo, Ashia Papa. Come, carry it, come, Ambazonian Bobo. Carry it, wow, Ambazonian Bobo. International. Small picking no day for Ambazonian.
Small picking no day for
power, Ambazonian Bobo, Ashia Papa.
Confirm, Ashia Papa as the voice for our mommy that they always be. But today we day for inside Big Cry Die as La Republique they ran show their ugly head again for inside Boya. This time executing our small baby Enongene Lizard Caroline for inside Boya for plain daylight for morning time for corner is school for opposite cathedral for Boya. Ladies and gentlemen, na me Capo Daniel una own countryman, Sense Pass King, Lukong, una village champion, I don't come again for can talk for una for the language where we all would understand. Language where no get corny, as we always talk, man where they talk true, it always talk for pidgin. I don't come today. We're going to give una a reaction from Boya and our citizens for Boya, including reaction from Francophones, citizens of La Republique, as they react for this act of barbarism, for this pure terrorist killing for inside Boya. Oh, that witness yesterday, number 14 day for this month of October. I go rule the tape, me replay, and I go present for una, analysis them, so that make una get a deep insight for where to go. Finally, yesterday, we don't get one of our community organizers of Boya. It will be within the crowd, so we don't get more accurate information and more deep insight for sharing with una. It be plenty in the package we will present for una today as we go to start this program. So we go to go straight inside the program. Make I bring up the video. Make we look into what will happen for inside Boya. I think by now most una around watch already the clips, but this one it will give una an in-depth, a thorough 360 view of which way it happened for inside Boya. So This one are the video footages. Una pardon me for when I do all the things them. Una pardon me because of technical challenges. So sometimes we take time for load and stuff like that. So our papa them, our mommy them, I want for take una for inside boya. Make una see the images them. Some of them na images will be shown for una yesterday, but we don't compile them into one. And also the new images and where they come from the colonial governor, the chief terrorist, Okala Bilai. The man where he be done talk for our people and say them be na dogs and them be na cockroaches them. Today we will give una your own reaction. I will give una an in-depth commentary from our people the way they be there for ground as they don't give you the information we will present them for una. So that we wanna know exactly the true nature of the beast of La République du Cameroon where we will face them day to day in Ambazonia. Now the video clip this make a put a Mickey roll. So this video, we don't try to blur the video, but looking at this our mommy for ground zero, he don't cry. All thing them passes to the mommy move all close. How attacking bring them? They do them. Now the worst type of way is for cry. And now a curse for the Cameroon military and the enablers and all those who they don't facilitate the killing of this Pekin one way or the other for see our mommy them for start go for this level. Now for show now the pains who don't get them from La République du Cameroon their hand. We don't see her Ambazonia mommy them. They don't be forced for begin dig grave. For our culture for Ambazonia, woman they need dig grave. We don't see mommy they dig grave for bury their master, for bury their own Pekin them. All across our territory. Over 30,000 dead in the hands of La République du Cameroon. Blatant killing of innocent civilians. As we don't see them from Bui, from Kwakwa, from Ekona, all across our territory. The same thing. The pain is too much for our people. And this mommy, it represents all our mommy them. Where they get picking them. How they see they carry out picking the pass with them. They cry. It pain our heart from diaspora to IDP camps, refugee camps, Ambazonia there for Egypt, the one there for Cyprus. All man them will get message for all side. They call, they cry, the Pekin he die. Innocent Pekin, gendarme Siam, open gun, he shoot them. How would you get for this place where gendarmerie them, professionally trained military go to keep people like this? Was it predictable? Of course. When you live in a country where they call another citizen them, or people them for another area, say Anglophones, cockroaches, rats, dogs. What you will need to expect? Their military people them, they go get the message. Now a trigger down effect. The killing of this baby, now a manifestation of the heart of Mr. Paul Biya. It goes back right to Paul Biya and his hatred for Anglophones. Their disrespect for our right as a people. Their disrespect for our right as a state. Their disrespect for the plebiscite result and the United Nations Resolution 1608 where them vote against. Where be supposed to guarantee we our dignity, protection of our institution and our human rights. Now complete disregard. Now the root cause this for the killing of this baby and our people them. They know exactly what really happened. Make it roll.
Where Papa God? Until the bishop himself is here.
The bishop said he come for day.
Jesus.
The Catholic bishop he come for day. He says he can't see the crime scene. He can't take his eye for see the crime scene. Because the thing happened at Corner Cathedral, around Cathedral for Corner Stadium there for inside Boyade. Now for the place that way happen for day. The incident it happened right from it start from Bokovo. For Bokovo where the police checkpoint it be there, then stop the woman for day, then search motor for day. Check all document, all things they correct. Since the woman it be the struggle for carry Pekin go for school in time, it be late, it come out drive go because the police they ask say me give 500. Then follow he can catch it for here. As they follow the camp now for the way stop. The two gendarmerie then come out, they can meet up in one stand for in front of the motor. Then see all man way there for inside motor. They see say na Pekin there for motor. Now woman they drive. No be even man. Now woman they drive motor. As the woman deny for give 500, he come out the one kick motor they go. So that mean they no delay me no Pekin no go late for school. the gendarme open fire. Now the picture, this is the motor. Open fire. Shoot the motor for two places. For driver's seat and for the side where the pikin be shidong. Scatter pikin head all. This was shooting to kill. Shooting to kill. Because our people, our own Ambazonian blood, you know, get nothing for them. If you kill them, go away. If you kill them, get away with it. Now the same killing way we see them for all across our territory. As soon as I go see them for this video, make the video go ahead. But first, before we want to take and go ahead, I want to make our people then see the difference for the reaction of this Bishop Bibi. They call her Bishop Bibi. His name is Michel Miabasu Bibi. The bishop where they for inside Boya diocese. It take itself, it come within the population, can't see the crime scene. And it put out a statement less than 12 hours from this incident. Now the statement is the press release where he put her out. Now the press statement is, when I remember say time where they come for inside church for Bali, they can't kill our sister where they for day, Sister Grace. Shooting for church. Shoot pastor for a hand. The Presbyterian church moderator, Reverend Funky, he write na far lie for cover up the crime for Cameroon military. Try for blame for Ambazonian fighter there, say na it been a crossfire. Try for cover up, even create stories. Talk say, you know, if it put the facts because you need to wait for investigation. Now, Bishop, this na so called mandis of God. They put out a press statement less than 12 hours narrating exactly what happened, coming to conclusion, decisive conclusion without any investigation. Because in things like this, when it is clear, the truth must be spoken. You don't need a forensic team to come and do investigation for you to know that the gendarme have killed somebody. If some man come for your house, move gun, kill your pikin. You don't need for go do investigation for Siam, for prove them. But you, like a man of God, where you're supposed to talk the truth without fear, we expect you to speak the truth. Now for the way people they like Funky, now them they make and Cameroon feel they fit do things like this and get away with it. So anyway, we don't see how the bishop he come, he don't release a statement. Inside the press statement, he narrate very well. He called the pikin say, innocent child. That is what we expect Reverend Funky to do with Grace. If we talk say an innocent lady, sister, where he just go for church only for sing song, for praise God, La Republic come enter for the killer. We'll be very happy to see the wordings, even though some part then the way not correct, but at least the Archbishop he paid tribute, he respect the death and the sentiment of our people them, where they go through this genocide war from La Republic. He talks that the innocent Pekin was shot dead by a gendarme. He specify him. Put the location for opposite Divine Mercy Cathedral. Now they kill the Pekin, and the church also it provide place for their cemetery, meet and bury the Pekin. Even though the pastor he try for make small money, but at the end he talks in action then like this. Now he don't radicalize our people them, meet them pick up gun. Even though the talk say when next time when military people they want carry out operation, security operation, they need to be careful. No, this is not a military operation. This is armed robbery. These Cameroon military people are thieves. They are terrorists dressed in military wear, using the legitimacy of a country. Cameroon government is an illegitimate new colonialist government, a puppet government from France. That is there. They don't care about black life. They can kill people as they want. Bulu Beti people. So I'll put up the next video. Maybe when I hear very well, but maybe we know say this was not a security check. This was somebody who was killed because she refused to pay 500. The gendarmerie asked for the lady 500. He asked 500. The lady is there to testify. That's why you hear everybody on the street is talking about 500. That defines the conduct of Cameroon military, their own professionalism. They are a group of thugs, armed robbers, who go around harassing our innocent people to take money from them. So I'll play the video. Maybe we'll continue me the rule. So inside for day, the community leaders them they step up and they speak out the truth. Bold, unafraid. And this one it shows say our education for our people them it pay off. We don't always talk say when La Republic their military pass for any place, when I take photo proof of their presence, snap their motor, snap their number plate. You know they know which way they go the atrocity way they will commit them for the next street. Those evidence then be very important when we push for the international community for get a very good understanding and knowledge of which way it happen, because we fight La Republic where they don't get no credibility, they lie every day for cover up and then get enablers the way they help them. So citizens them will be very happy and would congratulate the people for Buea. How them stand up strong, then hold a military man for day. The woman knock him. I'll play those videos them later. But I want me to listen for the community leader the way they be there for day, the market master the way they there for day. They don't stand for talk the truth for camera, put their face for day, so that make no devil hide the death of this Pekin. Me they no cover up am. We don't see am for Bamenda say La Republic. When they be killed out 4 Pekin them for Old Town, they go put marijuana for day for license and Pekin they be smooth banger. We see say when they kill Jibri for Bamenda also them put gun for inside motor for lie. We don't see all those their tricks them. So it be important when things like this it happen, me the civilians them they report exactly which will happen when they record them, like the one we don't see them today for inside Buea. We congratulate the people for Buea. Now the video this for the community leader, I explain exactly which way it happened.
I saw the zone, yeah. You know what I want you. More than what happened, Mr. President? What happened? I said.
So when I hear eyewitness testimony for which way happen, so that make our people then know for sure. Me La Republic, bring propaganda. It bring things for jongle people that may forget the truth of what happened. This is an eyewitness and a community leader who is credible. As when I hear he go talk, say it be there for day, it happen for your eye. When I hear.
What happened, Mr. President? What happened? I said, that's come from Bukuba. They be posted for Bukuba. They come and control the Central Market. They don't can stand human pass with Pekin they go school. They stop in easily go school. They follow you can't come.
So I want for the broken story me when I hear me man no mistake which way happen. Then stop that motor for Bukuba. For corner market where the police they make control for day. They don't first stop the motor. According to the people they will first talk for them for phone, where they know one media voice and they for outside. They explain say that police them search that motor, they open back boat for that motor. So they say they no be done search the motor, then search them, then check all that woman book, then they correct. Then just want me the woman give money. As they try for delay the woman, so that by that delay the woman will be frustrated for give money. The woman drive motor, go, now you then follow him. The woman too see him say military people that they follow you. The best thing for you for do am now for stop, now the way stop, when I continue for here wait away it happen.
They be posted for Bukuba. They come and control the Central Market. They don't can stand human pass with Pekin they go school. They stop in easily go school. They follow you can't come from Kadetra. Don't stop. You cannot come from to school.
So now here the gendarme stand in front that motor. So the gendarme then get eye contact with that woman. He knows say na woman and Pekin dey for that motor. No be even man Pekin wey if fear say he get power, he fit do something. Now woman, he dey inside motor on his way for school. That school being just around 2-minute walk from the place where they kill the woman. As when I go see am other Pekin and they where they come out with that same uniform where that Pekin where they go drop their Pekin for school.
As it talk, you want to give motor that man shoot up your gun. Shoot up your gun for 500 francs.
So now here, because of 500 francs, Cameroon gendarme he go kill Ambazonia Pekin. Now how much will be worth for their eye? Will be worth less than 500 francs for them for kill we. Just like that. Shoot money Pekin, shoot them. Bump. Straight. Execution style. And he do and so because he knows say he don't see the cases the way that happened before with the impunity them. We happen how Cameroon government go stand cover up for them, how enablers they go stand cover up for them, and nothing no go happen. Because now Ambazonians, now people the way by calling their name, their history, they are designated as terrorists. They are designated as people who have subverted the power, destroyed the what they have become enemy de l'État. They will kill you. So for him, he is doing what is normal because we are worthless to them. We are not worth any respect. We cannot debate. We don't have a right of opinion. We don't even have a right to organize ourselves to protest or to say anything. That's why he can kill this baby like that. Like that. Everybody is in shock. We will rise up and we will congratulate the people of Boya. And at the kind activism that this want to me what people did do. Right from the time from the common law lawyers, we always talk the population at the first line of defense. Because when population is stand like that, all for one, one for all, they no fi kill we all. When they take away one life, we need for hold a man kumkumam like the way they do for inside Boya. Me, this one is spread for all Ambazonia. We be done struggle from this beginning, me and Lucas Asu, for raise up our people their courage, for protest. We will see how it happen for Bamenda. Our people they be successfully protest Bamenda, and we see now how it replicate for Boya, and we go continue for the encourage our people them. Me them be bold. They cannot kill all of us. They will keep on trying, hoping that we will succumb, but they cannot succeed. So make the video play.
Vai, which can push guys to me. Time, Papa God. Man, kill you. Why you kill this pikin? For what?
For what? Why man go kill pikin like that? Man when a woman and born and two, he get mommy, he get sister, them surely get pikin of a family. You go leave your own country, come enter for inside Ambazonia. Now the picture is the killer. You go leave your own country, come for Ambazonia, no send a place where you go to kill people because you run here on a senator, they don't talk say when they are picking they go come for inside Ambazonia, they no go come out, they no kill at least 30 people. Because of petrol, because of pride, why will you kill a baby like that? Evil people, La Republic.
For what? 500. For what? 500 francs. For what?
Now 500.
For what?
Now the words that for our eyes, for words for their eyes. Now the Pekin that population after they don't hold the man where kill the Pekin, kumkumaisam. They know and they recognize. Say na a nationwide thing. Nothing where they see and where they do and for their Pekin them for Kumba. Nothing where they don't see and where they don't do and for Munya, for Maoto. Nothing where they don't see and they don't do and for Kwakwa for Bui. Where then command military can see 7 Pekin and don't shoot them for down kill them. Now why that way the population after them kill that man, they know say justice it never be done. All man it never be safe. Now you where then take them for road for waka for protest.
Happening now in Boya. Now, and a student, the boys and master. You take a
Yeah? Did they cry? Did they shout? When shall I see my home? When shall we go back to Southern Cameroon, where our policemen, the mobile wing, were there to protect us? Where policemen did not need to walk on the street with long guns, they were walking with sticks, because they know their duty was that of a civil service to our people, to protect them, to comfort them, to reassure them of their safety, not to exploit them, to receive bribes, to harass them, torture them, break into houses, kill them at will, without any form of accountability. Our people in Boya are crying for home. Home Ambazonia. A home where we run demonstrating for our 1st of October. Say inside liberated area, people are living and going about their day-to-day life free from fear of terrorism from La Republic. Our people want their home, a place of safety, where they first take Pekin of a school, then study without being afraid of a foreign army, where you not going to value them, they will kill them like this. Home again, home again. Our people, they cry and they ask, when shall I see home? A free homeland, where we can live with our identity without being afraid of a foreign army that are going to massacre us mercilessly.
Vigilating carefully. The agent of assimilation. Agent of assimilation.
I'm telling you.
Agents of assimilation. Now the name that way were people them for Boya they call Cameroon military, because they are there to assimilate us. When you see them, you cannot speak in Pidgin or in English because you are afraid they will see you like somebody who is claiming your heritage as a Southern Cameroonian, as an Ambazonian. They will kill you, they will prosecute you, they will look for any excuse to kill you because Paul Biya have sent them to fight a war against Ambazonians. And an Ambazonian is everybody from Southern Cameroon, everybody who claim his nationality as it is in international law recognized. For them, that is their enemy. For them, their enemy is Bebe Mata. It's all Ambazonians. That's why our people recognize this truth and they are rising up against this terrorist regime from Yaoundé.
Oh God, it's high time you intervene.
This is a strategy of La République.
It's high time you intervene.
Strategy of La République.
Oh God, the road is full.
They are here to assimilate us.
The road is
the
full.
strategy La République are used in
The
France.
road is full.
They are here to assimilate
My
us.
God.
So you hear,
Every day.
the speaker is clearly expressing what goes on in the mind of every Southern Cameroonian. This is a strategy of La République du Cameroun to assimilate us by using fear, terrorism, minimizing our people, killing us, so that we will be so afraid of them that we cannot even speak about our identity. We cannot even use a language we are comfortable in using. We are going to be like them, adopting their own state and migrating into Yaoundé and Douala as they do when everybody will have a position. They take you to Yaoundé so that you go and buy land there, and then they will come and carry all of our property, our resources, to make sure that France continue to have access to Sonera. That is what is going on.
They are exposed in the town.
Yes.
Yes, this morning time they just do that duty. That the Povia just assign them. The assignment. They perform the assignment. Yes. As agent of assimilation.
You see, the people know exactly what is happening. This killing, the box falls to Mr. Paul Biya. This is the war he is fighting. When he sends soldiers and tell them, go and fight against Ambazonia, fight against a flag, fight against those who say they want separation. To say separation is a crime. Criminalize opinion. Criminalize their aspiration. Label it terrorism. Label it act of sedition. Insurrection. When you criminalize the identity and history of a people, you have enabled and empowered your troops to react to innocent civilians as though they were terrorists, as though they were secessionists, because Paul Biya is the one who have seceded. Paul Biya is the one who have authorized this killing. His enablers and those on TV who keep on saying that to be an Ambazonian is an act of terrorism, who keep on saying that to demand for separation, even though we came into that country as an act of self-determination, to say that it is a crime of terrorism, insurrection. You are saying that people like this baby should be killed. People like this, just because of their identity, you have criminalized our identity with a death sentence of execution, firing squad. This is the hand job of Paul Biya.
United Nations, we need our freedom. There is a freedom. We need our freedom. Agent of assimilation. Sweet talking. They will talk all type of politics. They love politics. People are dying every day, every day. I believe this picture, this video will bring end of this situation.
You hear?
Yes.
Our people knows that they are lying. They have sweet talks in their mouth. They are one place in Bamenda talking about I'm coming for peace. Why in Bui? They are burning down our villages and killing our people. They are speaking one side of the mouth, lip service. Why in fact they are killing us every single day. That's what La République is doing.
The way this picture like this will prove that we hate. They are hating us. The people are hate.
Our people are hate
they
indeed.
Push to the wall. Yes.
Our people are hurt indeed. We have
Agent
been
of
pushed
assimilation.
to war indeed. Our people
Pretending
stay.
every day. They are pretending. Even the governor is up there pretending. They are pretending. Calling people dogs. Yes. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. They are students. They are hurt. They have been hurt privately behind inside the home.
You have heard in the homes of our people in Buea, routinely they come around, harass them, do kale, beat them up, rape women here and there. We get the complaints every day. And people are unable to protest. They are unable to speak out because they know by their very nature of being an Ambazonian, a Southern Cameroonians, is already a crime in the eyes of these military people. It's already an act of terrorism for them. So they are hurt. They are hurt. They pretend and they come out to say that everything is okay after using the military to terrorize the people, kill any space for public opinion, debate, and for people to express themselves. Then they go and bring impostors to come and stage the welcoming of Dangote, and then they disappear back into exile. Then leave our people there trapped without any way to express themselves. This is our people speaking. This is Buea speaking. They are tired of La Republique. They want a home, a free home from Cameroon occupation. We want complete freedom from La Republique du Cameroon.
Cannot rest every day that I've seen. This is the anger. You know, people have anger. This is anger that are expressing. Yes.
Hey!
Oh, Jesus. When you see Pekin like that, scattered with the brain,
that is a
we don't cry tired. I don't dry. I don't cry sweated tired. These people, what they have done to us,
That is a lady.
you cannot repair it.
Look at the population. Look at
You
the
cannot
population.
associate with these people anymore. You can't.
Late Emile Adepaka said that there's no problem in Cameroon. Atanga said there's no problem in Cameroon. This Anglophone crisis, killing people like this. Anglophone crisis killing people. Yes, this really proves that we are suffering. Yes, the whole Anglophone is out there. The whole Fako is outside. When the late Emile Adepaka said that there's no Anglophone problem, everything is solved. The minister is just here for a week. Said it's solved. There's no solution, nothing. Everything is empty. We are dying. We are dying.
That's the people in Buea telling the world we are dying. They come and they say they have made solution. There is no solution they have provided. What solution can you offer? Is to get the hell out of our country. Go back to your country. Cross back to the Mongo. Respect the treaty you signed. The Green Treaty in Bakassi, where you say that you will withdraw back to your borders as you obtain on independence. Respect the African Charter, Chapter 5, that says that every African country should maintain its border as it was obtained in independence. Any expansion should be through a unity by consent, through a union treaty. Go back to your country, La Republique, and leave us alone. Leave us alone. We don't want La Republique. You are the source of terrorism, source of pain to our people. You have brought us nothing but poor, destitution, and now terrorism. This is Buea. This is Buea have risen up. These are our people, all of them, the whole town. Even after they have delivered justice, to that man who have killed this baby, they come out to continue to cry, you go kill with tired poor beer, because it is an issue of Ambazonia. It is the killing across our territory that you can see it continuing in Buea. Now the truth that so now the people in that were people that don't rise up. We don't rise up. Just like it not be enough. The military then come out, they shoot gun again for quarter. And I will receive a picking them with uniform for Buea. We tell and say, now time for all school them for Buea for fall in line with the entire territory. Me no man no begin wear uniform to go for school. Because one of the well I disrespect the one the way they for bush, they never come back for school. We call our people for Buea for stand up and meet up the revolutionary standard the way they be expressed across our national territory. As they are express them today verbally. For sure and say, for sleep no be die. Buea don't stand up with the revolution for demand free Ambazonia. We'll be very, very happy. And they want an indication for our people and say, sleep no be die. So see picking them. How the military they can't shoot gun for school.
Don't light on too heavy gun. For up GTHS, boy, the whole street don't scatter. What's that? Yes, I need the fire for up the power. That means a heavy fire. Oh, my mommy, school people don't die for GTHS here. See motor to the fire, no jam the people. They always shoot.
So when I see the whole boy hepta skater.
Hey, look at that baby.
Now people in that. Now the killer this. Now the francophone this Bulu Betty boy. From his name. As when I see him now they call him Mbogo. Mbogo Achiru Rigobert francophone. The two people that was street they don't carry them get them gun. They can't terrorize our people. Now this not a terrorist that baby killer. Cameroon military baby killers. Now them that's so banga smokers them shit no wife last them. Now you where they give them gun, they can't have Ambazonia between kill our people. Anyhow. So neither Boyaran rise up. Boyaran rise up. So now we see the military people them.
Eh B. Les civils là c'est qui?
When I hear now the terrorist Cameroon military then they pass for go attack those same civilians the way they cry the death of a baby. They don't give them space to cry. They ask and say le civilian c'est qui? Civilian then a woo. Because our people them they no matter for their eye. Now object of cockroaches, now cockroaches to be killed, to be exterminated. Orders from above. Okala Bilai. He say na cockroaches. What do you do cockroach? When you tell shit no white blast like this the one they call an Rigobert we kill that Pekin. This killer Rigobert, when a whole governor he call Pekin they call people like cockroaches. He create an environment. He give authority, mean and treat them as such. So now here.
Don't start shooting. Na here oh, na Moliko na checkpoint. Na in that shooting for Moliko Stadium, na then that for they shoot. They shoot so they don't keep us in the Pekin oh. They don't keep us in the Pekin. They shoot gun in all man come over road now.
So now then that, even after they ran kill the Pekin, they seek open fire for deny people then the right for protest, for express their anger, because they not deserve for their eye will not even deserve for talk. The population it rise up, they never burn a single property. Then go meet the colonial governor, they not attack ye. But when they come out with gun, they should shoot them. Should shoot them with gun, live bullet not be even police, should shoot them with gun. Ask and say the civil as a key. Because in their mind, they want to know nothing. Their mind and don't reset back for the place where we be there. Place for kill our people them. So I go bring una the reaction of the colonial governor. The colonial governor Okala Bilai, the chief terrorist, a reaction. Make una see the man, he lies where he talk am. They never change, they not be willing for change. They go continue for carry on this massacre until we liberate our homeland from their hole.
Some are already under. Are you listening to me? Because this child, if that be your child, my child, that is his child. An innocent child. He was going to school. I'm fighting here for children to go to school. Exactly. How is it that a child on his way to school is killed? So it is a shock. Rest assured that I, governor, you know me. You know that I'm not a Connie man.
Look at the man coming to use my term, Connie. Now only me, Mr. No Connie, you idiot. Terrorist like you. A person of no credibility. Our population in Buea knows that he is lying. I will give a report of one of our contact who was there on the spot, and if finish his talk, begin to threaten our people the way they carry out mob justice for that armed robber in the name of a gendarme. In Ambazonia, when the law comes to the hands of the people, okay, when the law enters the hands of the people, they react as such. Mob justice, when there is no state institution to enforce the law, our citizens they don't commit carry out a citizen arrest and they don't deliver justice for that terrorist B where they call in Rigobert.
Governor has spoken that the boys have carried the cops and go with the cops. I don't really know the exact place that we were because we were with the governor. The young lady is called Enongene Lisette Caroline, class 1 pupil, 5 years old, and was shot around Cathedral. We are still digging to get more information, but the governor in an angry tone said they must apprehend everyone who was part of it. I will send the video soon into the group.
So, when I hear this is somebody is there. It talks say after this video, the governor in a very angry tone, it talks say they go make sure they go catch all man will be there for that scene where them beat that gendarme, deliver justice for that Pekin. So no be person where they stand with justice. If na person where be stand with justice, if truly the Okala be like the terrorists where they call people them cockroaches, if you be get empathy or sympathy for that Pekin, if you talk na say me then arrest the other gendarme where them follow that motor on false alarm. But they don't release a statement, a long statement. Ma put the press release where they put them outside. Me gonna see them. Now the statement is the terrorist Okala Bilai. Inside the statement, it try to acknowledge say the incident it happened for 8 o'clock for morning time for Bokova checkpoint for corner market. He also talk for they say the gendarme they been on patrol. Remember, say it confirm now from information where it come from them. Now own information this. So it not be a mixed patrol. It be a regular patrol where they don't put them for that place where they work for day every day. So these people they know the risk we day for day. They know the type of people they cover. There's so many people they talk say they be mistake that motor. No, they probably be see that motor before. He probably identify the motor na Toyota Picnic. He talks say they stop the motor the first time. He lies say the motor refuse to stop. So the governor inside a press release they still lie. When I don't hear a eyewitness, he don't stand. He talks say they stop the motor, then do their checks before the motor go. The governor now he talks say they stop the motor refuse to stand. Now he will then follow the motor go corner stadium for Moliko Day. Then the driver is fail for stop, then shoot the motor because the one stop the driver. Now said it their press statement they talk. So fellow Ambazonians, now the motor picture this. Ma put up the picture of the motor. Now the picture this is the motor. When I see player then shoot them. So the colonial governor, despite overwhelming evidence, he go come to try to justify the killers of baby Caroline. For talk say the military people then the gendarme they open fire now for stop the motor. If you open fire for stop motor where they within your corner, you be trained gendarme you don't go you dey on salary. Why you not shoot na the tire for the motor? You shoot directly for glass, not be 1 bullet, 2 bullet. One for driver seat. Now God know how that woman escaped for tell the story. Another one for the Pekin side. Shoot Pekin for a brain. Where you don't get eye contact, you know say Pekin for that motor. So the caller be like na a layman. You talk say you go do what investigation? Where evidence where if you are front, you still try to twist them. Now for show now say as the population talk, now people the way they get sweet talks only for lie. What about the other Pekin who wanna kill him for inside Bamenda? How can we believe say you go give justice? Where the 4 Pekin them they use the way they be there for Bamenda where they prepare for dry GCE. Our Bamenda youths now they picture this. I put up their pictures. Now the 4 youths this in Bamenda. These are the 4 youths in Bamenda. Let me take out this other one. These are the 4 youths in Bamenda that were executed. And they can't put banger for their skin for lies that the Pekin they be smooth banger. Where is the justice of this Pekin them? Where is the justice of these 4 Pekin they be killing for Bamenda? So we go believe say La Republic go ever give justice. The fact that they don't give justice for the killer of this Pekin them, they work out every day, day and night. Now for sure when I said that they give moral authority for their troops them for continue for carry this type of atrocity. So no fit ever believe them. What about the killers of our Muslim girl wey dem kill for inside Bui? Bonnie alive. Where's a picture? They might put up a picture. What about justice for ye? When I bring the army the way they will kill you for justice? Do a Muslim sister where them Bonnie alive? Now die body die for the way they run born alive. When I catch una military people them, if to say una them administrator, una not be the support the military. Why una not arrest the military where them born this woman alive? Where they for the sick, you know if you come up for house. Then can't see for house, light fire for inside house, born them alive. Why una never bring justice for that one? Now for Caroline will una go bring justice. Una feel say we be na foolish people. As soon as they call we say fool them. What about Mama Lydia? Mama Lydia where dem kill for Ngom village. Cameroon military come for a house. They accuse say he pikin marry Amber boy. No, the woman have not committed any crime. They come where the woman cook fufu. They move gun, military people. They come with armored car, 2 armored car, pack am for door. Woman no run fi say as he be mommy, he be woman. He no get Amber for a house. He no get no gun. He cook na fufu. He no go run left fufu for fireside. The Cameroon military enter, then kill it for his house. 60-year-old mommy. Where is the justice? Did you bring justice for her? What about our pikin from Garbu? What about the Garbu massacre? Have you brought justice to the children in Garbu massacre? Have you brought justice? Do you think we can believe you bring justice? We don't want anything to do with La Republic. What about Baby Mata? Make her bring the video for Baby Mata for remind our people them. Me they understand say this terrorist La Republic du Cameroon, the administrator, the only reason where they fit talk, the only reason where they fit try for act, now for try for cover up their crime, for try for give justification for their criminal activity them. Now Baby Mata a video this. Make her bring them back for remember when I say now the same this Okala be lie under a watch
baby called Neba Martha Mbu. The mother, Emilia Agbo, remains unconsolable. The father points accusing fingers on the Cameroonian military for killing his child.
In the morning, there was a gunshot. The convoys were going to Kumba. Unfortunately, they returned back. They still shoot by 2 o'clock. So by that 2 o'clock, they shoot like that when it was passing. And unfortunately, they returned back now. They came inside the quarter and they started shooting. They surprised all of us. My wife was behind the house preparing food. So she placed the child on top of the chair. So as the child was sleeping, I was in front of the door.
Today for morning time, I mean motor interfere will run.
So, even though they caught the part where the part explain how the military, Cameroon military killed the Pekin, another eyewitness is still explaining. I'm gonna listen.
A military vehicle came to the quarter. We ran for safety. They broke the door and shot the child. Here are the bullets we discovered after their departure.
Now for Baby Mata, in case that.
To a neighbor watching the military men as they return after the incident attests that some of them blamed their colleague for shooting a baby.
Try to call within themselves why you shoot that kind of people for that age. They try to explain when they get a big call among them why you shoot that kind of people for that age. Why they shoot that people for that kind of age.
So when I remember after this attack, La Republic go bring Kawa Yannick Kawa, the enabler, the black leg. He can stand for begin talk say maybe the bullet was coming from Amber boys. They try to cover up the crime. From the testimony of this onlooker where be there for day, he said the Cameroon military when they go back they be complain for their colleague. Say why he killed the Pekin. That means the Cameroon military they know that it was their colleague who executed Baby Mata. They have identified him. If in the case of Baby Mata, that is in front of our eyes, their own military know who killed Baby Mata. That particular military, no sanction, he's still walking free, going around killing other babies. Who knows whether it is the same person? If they cannot bring justice for Baby Mata, is it going to be Caroline Bebe Caroline that they are going to bring justice? If they cannot bring justice to Bebe Mata, what about Sam Sawyer? Sam Sawyer, they cut his head. They did not bring justice for Sam Sawyer. Is it Bebe Mata they are going to, Bebe Caroline they are going to give justice to? So we don't expect any justice for these people. The only solution we want is to live free from Cameroon terrorism, Cameroon atrocities. What about the pastor in Maoto who was killed? The military came there, arrested him. We all saw it. They showed a video. They released a video because it is something that they are doing systemic. It is a strategy for them to obtain a political objective. And by definition, that is war crime. That is all signs of a genocide. So what about that? What about the pastor? What about that gang who went and killed that gang of terrorists? All of them should be in jail. The whole that unit. Their commander plus all the military who were present and did not stop the crime. They should be in jail if there can be a system to provide justice, but they are all working free. Even the Cameroon military head, Paul Biya, should be arrested and put in jail for all this crime. If actually they were indeed people we can trust. But we know that is never going to happen. That's why we want complete separation from these people who have brought us nothing but pain. So we continue to encourage our population to uphold in Buea the 4 pillars of our revolution. It's been very crucial. Buea people will stand up. Number 1 pillar. Now Monday goes down. Every Monday goes down, the people for Buea must observe as all people across Ambazonia. Observing the ghost town is identifying with our baby who have been killed today. With all the 30,000 Ambazonians who have been killed. Bebe Mata and the rest of those who we don't even know their names or their stories. It's a day where we sit down to demonstrate to the world that we want separation and we want self-governance and self-protection of our people from such crimes like this. We have to observe Independence Day goes down. Dr. Cho Ayaba, the president of the governing council, have always insisted that we don't use military force to oblige or coerce our people to observe ghost town. That's why in Buea we don't believe in sending our military guys there to use military tactics for people to observe it. When our civilians, they observe ghost town by themselves, they create a better relation with the military guys, with the Ambazonian forces, because the Ambazonian forces will have respect for them. Imagine the people who are involved in providing justice for this baby. Some of them might end up with Ambazonia Defense Forces or other forces in the bush so that they can protect themselves and continue to fight for justice. You have to respect them by observing this Monday ghost town. It is very important. Number 2nd pillar of this revolution is boycott of Cameroon government institution, especially Cameroon government school. All Cameroon government school in Buea should stop. Parents should withdraw their students there if they are going to any Cameroon government school. They should withdraw themselves there immediately. Immediately. And schools should not put on uniform as a sign to identify with those who have dropped down their school to pick up guns and fight for freedom. Number 3 pillar. We must deny Cameroon any form of legitimacy that comes with political participation. That means respecting the voice of the people that rose up in 2018 to demand our parliamentarians and senators withdraw from participating in La République du Cameroon politics. It's all useless. It does not benefit anybody. Those who are going there are doing so for their stomach and not for the people. We have not voted for anybody. They have no legitimacy, and our people must continue to insist on denying political participation. Number 4 of the pillar is economic sabotage and economic sanctions. Our people should stop paying direct tax to Cameroon government and destroy all their taxation office and their record keeping. Our people should bring down all critical infrastructure in all plantation that Cameroon government benefits to use those money to fund this war. These 4 pillars are very, very crucial. And number 4 also include the ban of brasserie drinks. It's very symbolical and very, very important in our war against La République. All these 4 pillars of our revolution must be upheld in Buea, like the rest of Ambazonia. Buea have to rise up. Our people have to embrace also the actions of making quick justice when things like this happen. So we have seen this reaction. I want to give you other reaction as well before we go to the military operation of the ADF in Buea. But there are also reaction from Cameroon citizens that we want to play, which is very crucial. As we have told you people before, that the way slave trade ended and the way colonialism ended is when the crime and the barbarism of such acts of suppressing people and oppressing a people is being known by their citizens. And they will come to know, the Cameroon citizens will come to know that all it would take for them to keep Ambazonia is genocide, is killing babies, and they will reject this conduct and their government will be forced to give us our right, something we deserve. These are some of the reactions on WhatsApp.
Monsieur Adamou, voilà alors les conséquences. Si on avait donné la liberté d'expression aux gens depuis, c'est que le Cameroun ne serait pas arrivé à ce niveau. Ils ont passé la vie à étouffer des gens. Voilà la suite. Tu as vu, voilà la suite. Voilà.
So this audio, the man they talk say, when I see now because the Cameroon government it don't deny people them the space for express themselves, now the result this way they come, oh na the siam. Another audio.
Qu'il a son ami qui est trop sur le billet. Il avait déclaré la guerre, il avait dit que le problème de l'Amazonie c'est un petit problème qu'il va gérer. Qu'il a son ami qui est trop sur le billet seul et fini ça. Ça fait combien d'années? Qu'il finisse alors on voit.
So this other volume it talk say the probably talk say he gave friend them when I beat them. It go take them few weeks for key all the Ambazonian fight and then this war will stop. The people that go stop for agitate. Wait till that happen. 5 years after, the people that they see fight even better. We hear another one.
Même sans tromper, même l'enfant, même à la maison, tu manges l'enfant. Un jour, l'enfant va te dire que papa, tu manges. Vous ne pouvez pas tromper les gens pendant 100 ans. Ils ont passé le temps à tromper les anglophones. Les accords qu'ils avaient signés avec les anglophones, c'était que si un francophone est président, le vice-président doit être anglophone. C'est ce que nous avions tous vu dans les livres. Alors, ils ont pris le pouvoir sans paraître de tout. Même dans l'anglophone, aujourd'hui, même pour balayer sa maison, il faut qu'il demande aux francophones. Ça n'existe pas, mes frères. Pour goudronner la route au nord-ouest, au sud-ouest, il faut que c'est les francophones pour décider, pour voter le budget. Ça ne se fait pas. Ils n'avaient pas signé ça dans les conventions. Les anglophones ont parfaitement raison, mes frères. Regardez vous-même, vous allez voir que les anglophones ont raison.
So, they want some of their citizens that they come to the conclusion, which is the right conclusion, the rational conclusion. Say Anglophones them, the so-called Anglophones them, they're talking about Ambazonian. So it will be right. Say the contract where they be enter with them with Foncha them, it will be say when Francophone are president, Ambazonian it will be a vice president. But now with the never situation where even for spend for B road and all those things that Francophone they must approve them. No man if accept them. Another audio.
L'affaire que les gens sont dehors, le bas peuple ne comprend pas la crise anglophone. Ils sont seulement en train de dire la crise anglophone. C'est la mouvance en place qui a créé la crise anglophone. C'est le gouvernement camerounais, les gars. Soyons quand même visibles. Nous n'allons pas seulement condamner les anglophones, la crise anglophone, les anglophones troublent le pays. Ils ont raison.
So they talk, say this is not anglophone making trouble to their country. We are right. The other one, if he talk, say if Papa de Fahasi, the lie picking every day, one day that picking will tell the pastor, you are lying. So their history that they force them on top we is a lie. We can never accept it.
Mon frère, tu as tout dit. Tu exploites quelqu'un plus de 40 ans. Il te dit que non, mon frère, tu m'as tout exploité. Je ne veux plus, moi, être esclave. Donc, laisse-moi dans ma position. Moi, je me cherche. Pour porter les armes, pour les combattre. Voilà aujourd'hui. Est-ce que les anglophones avaient mal fait? Tu tapes un enfant tous les jours, il te dit que non. Il y en a marre que tu me t'avais sorti, allez, rester dans mon endroit. Tu prends l'arme et tu vas tirer sur l'enfant. Aussi simple que ça.
So now yeah, say you know if you beat Pekin every day. Sunday that Pekin will tell you say he go one she done for your corner. He prefer for she done for your corner. And that is exactly what did happen. I want to bring some reaction from Cameroon citizens, Cameroonese, French Francophone citizens as well on TV. There is one very remarkable reaction from a lady, a panelist that I think is very good for us to also listen so that our people know what their citizens are.
A child has been killed in Moliko Southwest region of Cameroon by a gendarme officer who was later on stoned to death. We are gathered here to talk about it.
Heartbroken.
Mais les femmes souffrent, les enfants souffrent. Dernièrement, on a passé, je crois que c'était à Bamenda, pendant que le Premier ministre était encore là-bas. Les gens étaient chassés de leur village.
So when I hear my country people una hear Egyptian language, it is say even the time where the so-called prime minister be there for the, he there for front they talk, they burn people their house for back. As soon as be here how they burn house them for inside Bui, when la République their prime minister Diongote if he there for inside Bamenda, they be the burn house.
Les femmes et les bébés sur les dos en train de courir dans la brousse.
People, they
et on me dit que tout va bien au Cameroun.
And they point there and say Cameroun they okay.
Et on me dit que tout va bien.
Things
et on dit il faut pas qu'on en parle.
And they say they know how many people then talk about them. And they talk so they translate them for all man for ground way when they hear me.
On dit il faut pas qu'on en parle en fait.
So they talk to me they not talk.
Mais on est en train d'aller où?
So who side did they go? Who side did they go?
On espère et on dit chaque jour que
so every day them they talk.
Crise va s'arrêter.
So the war go stop. The crisis it go stop.
La crise va s'arrêter.
So it go
Comment est-ce qu'on espère que cette crise s'arrête lorsque chaque jour des innocents sont tués?
So how they go expect say this war or this crisis it go finish if every day they see that they kill innocent people there?
Une autre personne révoltée. Yes. On ne connaît pas le père de cet enfant.
Yes, Gladys.
Qu'est-ce qui...
They know say that part for that Pekin too, he go stand up also for fight.
Nous informe que le père de cet enfant ne sera pas révolté et que lui aussi il ira prendre les armes. Ouais. Comment?
So who go talk now say that part too, he no go carry gun. Who go talk say that part no go carry gun?
Comment est-ce qu'on voudrait que cette crise s'arrête si les responsables, ceux qui sont supposés stopper, ne veulent pas que ça s'arrête? Comment?
So, if they talk, how the war go end? If their own people, the way now then get that power, the high power, for stop the war, then facing and for kill Ambazona, then the solution.
Comment c'est possible? Parce que je ne peux pas concevoir qu'on recrute dans l'armée camerounaise des gens qui sont mentalement instables.
So for Cameroon military, they work as select people then for road anyhow. People the way the inside their brain it shakes small. So how do we do they employ the kind of people?
Parce qu'il faut absolument envoyer les gens là-bas.
Just because they want more send people they meet and go fight war. So they don't be forced for begin carry any kind of man put them with their military. Even people the way their head is shake.
Parce que il y a une vérité, c'est qu'on ne peut pas envoyer nos propres enfants.
So if they talk to the truth and say them way then they for high class, middle class, they not be send their picking them for day. Me them go die. So now they go carry people them for road any kind of man put them with their military. Now why would they see their military their head they decrease?
Dans cette zone-là. Donc il faut faire un recrutement, prendre du n'importe qui et du n'importe quoi, mettre la tenue et les envoyer.
So now say they don't carry any man for street give uniform because Ambazona they don't finish and fine.
Mais nous sommes toujours au Cameroun et on nous dit que tout va bien. Tout va bien.
They lie them every day. Say all things they fine. That's the Republic. They lie them every day. Say everything they fine. There is one truth teller. I will call him a truth teller. This guy they call is a Diodone Esomba. He always speaks the truth. I think he appears to be the only person in that country who have some pedigree, and he comes out every time for talk the truth for their people. Them. Mais we also.
Le retour à l'état unitaire avec les sous-préfets. Oh, c'est ça que vous appelez l'état normal. C'est la fin. On vous a dit que les anglophones ne veulent plus de cet état. Je voudrais bien vous
tell them. So they don't tell when I say anglophone, they don't want this country again. That is the truth. That's what more than 90% of our people they don't talk. This is the truth where they try to criminalize them in order for suppress them and for kill them. But just by making those gimmicks and fake laws of criminalizing opinion will not change the truth.
Je crois qu'on ne se comprend pas. Quand quelqu'un se plaint, écoute-le. Ne projette pas sur lui ce que toi tu crois.
So if you talk to one person, they complain. Listen for ye. No carry your own idea or your own thinking. Begin put on that man's skin. Le how they want begin to give for own. Now they want prescribe for we way to wait and fee say be the solution. Way to wait and fee say be the problem. So this is just a truth teller. Diodone Esomba. You no go down me say they go kill you one step small time because in a country that way they be noted for assassinate people the way they disagree with them. So that is the reaction we get from La République du Cameroon. And wait to where people they need to understand. Now say Cameroon don't be defeated. Their citizens they revolt. They need to accept the conduct of this war because they don't be left for carry only genocide for keep Ambazonia. Since all we for Ambazonia would decide to leave them, The only way they fit stop we na for begin the Kiwi for commit genocide. Our people then would proof for the war and for the whole Cameroon through our celebration of 1st October this 2021 would expose the lies of Mr. Paul Biya. Mr. Paul Biya lied to the international community that Ambazonia is under La République du Cameroon control and that they have destroyed the Amber Boy. There just remain a few pockets of resistance. Through our 1st of October celebration, we have exposed this lie. We have demonstrated a buoyant emergence state in Ambazonia, where in our liberated areas, our people are living in freedom, expressing themselves in freedom, singing their national anthems. We have built community schools, built hospitals for our own people. A new state is emerging in Africa and the world knows it, and Cameroon is latching out. Cameroon fight against Ambazonia have lost. Thibaut Nagy, many other people have come out to tell Cameroon, you cannot defeat us because we are right. We are justified. Ambazonian, we have to stand and keep on fighting the good fight. We are on the right side of history and history will vindicate us. And those who stand on the fence have to make a choice, and the choice should be on the right side of history. Cameroon then turned into killing of children, burning of women alive as a desperate measure to hold Ambazonia back. But they have failed, and they have failed woefully. We also want to thank the people there for Insa Boya, where they don't stand up for demonstrate for the whole war. Say Cameroon, they kill Ambazonia people them systemically. It's not just about the Chai way they don't kill them today, Caroline, but now also about the 30,000 Ambazonian the way La Republic they ran the killer. All of them they need justice. Our state itself it needs justice. Our right is to have unconditional independence, to be on our own and manage our affairs and live in peace. We also want to thank all the boy them as we launch our operation 1,000 new Amber boys them. It just come in handy as we reach out for some of the way they for Boya, where they be want to join Ambazonia fighters. We don't call them out, me they implement the roadblock. We don't call them for Insa Boya, 24-hour roadblock. We don't see how they get into action. Them block road them for my 17. Now the video footage is then this way they come up. Make a put them for now, make una see them. So now my 17 this where the boy they don't come out. Boy I use them. Them block road.
Seafood Prince side, oh tomato lunch. Don't block all side, my 17 block. That's you ain't go any place there, work on no food.
So this one now they use them where they don't answer the call for 1,000 new Amber boy them where they don't stand up for Boya. We go arm them, meet them protect Boya, and meet them liberate Boya. All our people them from Ndian, Ekondo Titi, all the strategic places them will be very welcoming. Make all them come. We will train them, provide them ammunition for liberate our land from Cameroon terrorism. We also will receive very good images the way they come for inside Bota land for Victoria. How the people that react very very fast for Bota land they carry out economic sabotage, knocking out critical infrastructure them. As we don't always talk, this economic sabotage them is very important because we need for Hitler Republic for place where they hurt them the most. War na palaver for interest. We need for make the cost of occupation it be higher than their benefit the way they get them for our country. As our territory it provide for their economy over 60% of their GDP. It be very important we cut them down to zero. So now very good action. Yeah. For inside Borderland for Victoria.
Chai Papa God. Nana so begin die for Boya. We never finish crying.
So this one are the great action it is supposed to all our citizens them. For our youth they wanna live to rise up. Even if you've been a picking for inside it come. Time only that their infrastructure them where it produce things them critical infrastructure bring them down. Because now money where it come up for the plantation the way Cameroon government it is sustain this war. It will destroy all their critical infrastructure them. After all, it need the benefit for anything. They repay our people then like slaves. Make we better focus for race, chop for house, for farm, and we'll stop all this export them way exportation the way the Helem na La Republic so that we find. We'll create an alternative route them for Biafra land where we supply and export our commodities for the international community without paying money to La Republic. Make it contribute. Victoria that.
Botala finish. Botala finish. Sifera
This is a good sabotage action. And we need this type of action. They hate to be implemented to get our freedom.
You got that fire, you die. You know.
Don't Bota land that. Bota land that. It be on fire. We need to bring down all the rubber them where they already cut them, see the one sell them for abroad. That money go buy weapon if we can kill more picking them for Ambazonia. We need to destroy all the critical infrastructure them for CDC. Because now they supply La République du Cameroon the money for them to continue to buy arms and they continue to kill our people them. So I want to thank our fighter them for inside FACO, the great state of FACO, the FACO brigade under Captain Small Pikin within short notice of our instruction, then carry out a massive roadblock for block Buea for 24 hours so that our people that will get space to protest and the international community and everybody will get the message that this is not acceptable. And we'll be very happy. We'll see they engage them for two fronts. La Republic, they attack them for two fronts and they stand their ground. And something very, very supernatural happened in this attack. Well, now the I've been a man of science. I believe say we need to provide gun-proof them for our soldier them, this gun-proof vest them, and we need to give them more training. But some of the situations today, I don't know me whether they work or not, but we don't see how they shoot our soldier with gun bullet enter. So it show we say the gods are with us. Now sign say God will there for the right side and will win. I go show now the video for the operation them. Make una see them, and then when I will see the soldier them how they show the place the way bullet they hit them and nothing happen. So I take una inside our operation led by Captain Small Pikin for FACO when I be the overall commander for ADF for inside FACO. The wonderful action where they take them, La Republic attack them, they stand their ground, and God then give them victory. So maybe we'll see the ADF their reaction, the operation where they carry on for inside Buea Road, Kumba Buea Road.
Yes, the people don't come. The people don't come. We don't have to also with them. No, a soldier that hide for you. Or the way they meet them come.
So they get armored vehicle the way they come. 4 armored vehicle them. La Republic send 4 armored vehicle them from Kumba. They send 3 armored vehicle them from Moyoka. They can attack our forces for the area. Now the area that we get 2 roadblock. This one are the roadblock where they for around Malende Day for Kumba Road Day. Now the way they can attack them for the our boy them they fight brave. Nobody no die. We don't know whether the enemy they sustain any death or any wound, but they be retreat back and our soldier they maintain that roadblock for 24 hours.
Bamba! No, a soldier that and that. Would wait them. May they come.
So those are your forces in action, enforcing a roadblock in Buea against Cameroon occupation forces that come from 2 of their brigade, Kumba and Pomoyoka. If you look far for this video, you go see the armored car they did for front day. So they when me then disarm me then they come out of the armored vehicle to try to open the barrier, and then they go engage them.
They fall back now. They don't come. They don't come. My boys and that. My boys and that. They don't come. My boys and that.
Yes, but when I see that show will come out, you know, be easy. I never see a bullet wound than this. A bullet chakara closing. So, but no. Fako come on, Fako ne play. When I see a bullet wound than that. Now God, because all man come back strong. Now God. Them said on green today. Yes.
So those are our brave fighters. We want to congratulate them and for thanking them for intervening and for sending a very powerful message to the enemy that there will be no impunity, that we are in charge of our land, we are capable of kicking them out. It's just a matter of time. Our people should be resilient, and we'll continue to push our fight for liberation of our homeland. The whole world and Siam will be continue to be resilient. I will call on our people then for learn the lessons them for this Boya experience. Say there is safety in number, and there is a need for us to account and recount the exact events when situations like this happen, so that the enemy will not be able to twist it and use their enablers to cover up their crimes. But together we will fight and liberate our homeland, as our people in Boya today cry, home again, home again. When shall I see home? Demanding for a free Ambazonia, a homeland where they can be comfortable, they can drop their students off from school without being afraid of Cameroon terrorism, when the police force will be real law and order force to protect them and support them and give them an environment to thrive like they test today in liberated areas in Ambazonia. Thank you, God bless you, and have a good day. We are together with our people in Boya. Keep up the good job.